Thanks Flex Seal for sponsoring this video and powering our science mission. Hi, I'm Mark from Team Dominator. This garden bucket has broken handles and it needs fixing. I'm going to be using flex tape to fix this. First I clean the bucket with isopropyl alcohol so we get a good bond. Flex tape is one of the stickiest products I've come across. It will even work on some plastics like this. Flex tape is so sticky it's advised to use a utility knife or razor blade instead of scissors. I'm creating a split in the tape to go on both sides of the bucket. Peel back the backing tape and I can stick it down on the bucket. Then I fold the tape in half so that my hands don't stick to the tape when lifting the bucket. Finally, stick down the other side. On to testing. Let's see if it holds up with a full load of water. Success! Now ready to get back to yard work. Thank you for watching. Flex on.